Hello and welcome back beautiful people into another video. In this video I'm going to show you how you can update your Windows. So for this you need to go to setting. And here you can see update and security, Windows update recovery and backup. Select this one and here you see Windows update. So you can see in here Windows update, you are up to date. Here you need to click check for update. So it's checking for updates. It may take some time to complete the checking. So now you can see in here our checking is complete. We need to restart our PC. For optional quality update available, you can download and install this. Then you can restart your PC to update all of this. So first I'm going to download and install all of this. Now you can see it's downloading. It may take some time. So in this way, you can easily update your Windows. So guys, I hope you understand this video and learn something new. If you learn something new, then subscribe this channel for more videos.